Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, in today's video, it's the tea of Izingane Zesthembu, season 2. Hi guys, this trip to Sun City like angazi nokuthi ngithi like kuningi, okay? So like there are a lot of things that are set up kule trip le. First of all, I said this before on my previous video, why was Uvuyokazi invited? Okay, fine, she's invited, and Utirelo and Mpumelelo, guys, they are so lovey-dovey. They are just like any other couple, it's not wrong, they are enjoying their love, but my heart feels for Uvuyokazi, looking at your person being lovey-dovey with another person while you are there without a person. It's so sad, Shem. It's so sad, Shem. Kodwa ke sana, hey, Uvuyokazi invited the friend at Sun City, she said that she needs someone that she can be with, someone that she trusts in Tonton or support, whatever. She invited a friend called Uviki. So apparently this friend is Mpumelelo's crush, and this friend knows everything about their relationship, okay? So there's something that I didn't understand though. I didn't understand ukuthi this friend was friends with Mpumelelo before, and then Uvuyokazi ubathole babangani. Like, that's something that I don't understand. How did the friendship come about? But you can tell Mpumelelo has a crush on this girl. Like, the minute she walked there, Mpumelelo has been blushing. He doesn't know where to look. Like, he's so uneasy, man. I'm convinced it was more than a crush. Those people, I think they did something to each other. But you never know, guys. You never know. But by the look of things, like, he doesn't even want to look at her. So now this friend is there, and the minute that she comes there, guys, she's attacking. She's on attack mode. She comes there, she's like, Mpumelelo this, Mpumelelo that, and the fact that she's asking about what happened yesterday because I was naughty. Obviously, Uvuyokazi has already told you. But guess Anna, she is just, like, she's attacking, man. She's attacking, and Uvuyokazi, I think this was her plan all along, The plan was to just get someone who will fight her battles, and then she's just there relaxing, doing nothing while the friend is attacking. Okay, I'm not saying Mpumelelo is innocent, but this friend also has an agenda, because why would you fight for other people's relationships like that? And worst part, Uvuyokazi said it clearly, you know what, me and Mpumelelo are over. I don't want Mpumelelo anymore. I'm no longer part of the CCT. So why are you fighting? I really don't understand why is this friend fighting for a relationship that has ended, because both parties have agreed it's over. So now it's just a trip to enjoy themselves and then go back home. But no, the friend has an agenda, asking Mpumelelo like personal questions, And then at some point, the friend Uviki said something like, it's more or less like the three of us have dated, and people were shocked. Even Ulwandle was shocked, because Ulwandle is there trying to score points, Ulwandle is there trying to smoothen up Uviki. He's busy saying nice things to Uviki, offering her a drink, doing all those nice things. But when he heard how these people, it's like we have dated, the three of us, the shock on his face, he kept asking questions like, so you guys have dated? And she was like, yes, it's like we've dated. I know everything about them. Like, he kept asking questions because he was confused. I think maybe naye Shembeki sekazibonela, you know. And yeah, man, he's a ladies man, that one. He's a ladies man, but he's a bit shy, at least. He doesn't, he's not rude. He was just showering her with compliments and all of that. And also, I like, you know what Tirelo did there? I really like that. She just kept quiet. You know, at the table when they were sitting there, Vuyokaz's friend attacking Umpumelelo. I like what this girl did. You know, Tirelo, she just kept quiet. Not even a single word that she said. And I like that about her. You know, what she did nje. Indaba engahlangene nawe ungayingeni. She was just quiet. She didn't want to be in their business, you know. She was just quiet nje. Even Uvuyokazi, like, she barely spoke because the friend was the one doing the talking, doing the attacking. As guningi guys, guningi, but nje ay kusana. Please like this video, please subscribe. I'll see you.